Today I'm going to be making a Helles style beer. It's a German pale lager. This is a very popular style, especially in southern Germany. Here I got some grains crushed and ready to go. I've got 8 pounds of German Pilsner, Munich malt, and a little bit of acid malt. Today I'm going to be using 2 hop varieties. The first one is a German Magnum that I had left over from a previous batch. This will be added at 60 minutes. The second one is a Hallertauer Herzberger. This is going to be added at 10 minutes and 5 minutes left in the boil. Let's get right to it.
Here you can see that I'm adding some grains into some tempered water. This is the mashing step. It is important that the grains get mixed well into the water to prevent any dough ball formation. This allows for the grains to completely wet and absorb the water. Now I'm preparing to recirculate the mashing liquid. It draws liquid from the bottom of the unit, and a pump pumps the liquid to the top. Here I'm adjusting the flow rate so that the grains on the top of the bed gets properly wetted and allows for proper conversion of starch to sugar. Now, this is the end of the mashing stage. I'm lifting the grain basket to allow any water to escape from the grains and drain into the pot below. Before we get to the next stage, the boiling stage, we need to ensure that we rinse off any residual sugars on the grains. This is called sparging. Here, I'm pouring hot water over the grain bed to ensure that we collect all of the residual sugars into the pot below. Now that the wort has been collected into the pot, it has come to a boil, and I am adding the first edition hops. These are the Magnum hops. The boiling has ended. We are cooling it quickly and getting the wort ready for fermentation. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about homebrewing, please visit my website or follow me on Instagram or Facebook.
So, this is the Munich Helles. Let's see how it tastes. Sweet and malty, clean taste. A very good lager.